Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to open two-step authentication on Instagram account. So first of all, open up Instagram and you need to go to your profile section. Okay, and go to your profile and you need to go to settings option by clicking on that three line you can see on the top right side. So you need to tap on that and you can see settings, and just go to settings, and here you can see lots of options available. So you need to find security, tap on security. Now you can see two-factor authentication, just tap on that, and here you can see add extra security to your account. You need to turn on that. Like, you can choose your security method and you can see there are options available. So in this way you can turn on to you can open up two-step authentication on Instagram, and also you can just customize the settings or adjust the settings according to it. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video.